So in this video, we're learning how to merge some clips together. So let's say we want to merge this and this together. So it's either you hold shift and select the clips you want to merge, or you highlight them. There are different ways to do that. So you can highlight them like this, or you can do the hold shift this or this or this, whichever one. So I want to merge these two clips together. What I'm going to do is I'll select these two clips, then right click on any of them and next. Okay, so this is it. So whatever effects you do here, you can see these are two clips. Whatever effects you do here happens in the two. So let's just say we want to zoom. We'll go to effect control. Let's say we want to zoom in the video. You can zoom like this, and yeah, you can see it affected the both. Alright, let's Ctrl Z, and eventually you don't want to nest again. You can double click on this, double click on what you nested or what you meshed together. You can enter inside here, and probably you want to add an effect on a particular clip. Instead of you to work on the both together, maybe you just want to, let's say you want to like speed this particular one up faster. You go to speed, duration, and maybe 150. Yeah, you bring this one closer to it, then you can go back again to it, and yeah, just shorten this, and yeah, just shorten this, carry it back, and you can see it. Bring this one closer and play it. Yeah, whatever you want to do, you can add a transition by double clicking again on it, or you can make it smaller, bring this one closer. You can speed up this particular one again, and let's just say 150 exactly, and you go back again to the previous sequence. You go back again, then yeah, you close it and you close it up a bit. Yeah, once you close it up and you try to push it forward again, you can see that yeah, it has already hit the limit. So you bring this one closer, and yep, you play to show you the second clip now. Let's wait for the second clip. You see the second clip here. That's how it works. So peradventure, if there's another way to do it, is you can, let's Ctrl Z everything. Let's bring these two clips back here. Let's bring these two clips back here. So let's say you don't want to actually like nest the whole thing and make them one. What you can actually do is that these two clips here, you can select it and go to group, and together they become one. So why this one is good is in terms of you want to like, in case you want to shift it around, yeah, whenever you just touch one, you've touched the two. Or even if you highlighted this one too, even if you touch this one too, let's click on this and also group this with it. Group, then yeah, the grouping is to, in case you want to move one around, you're moving everything around. So that's what the groups help you to do. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's how to merge your clips together. So see you in the next.